Well, happy Friday to you. Jim Hanson here, coming to you from Generations Home Loans. And this is the version of mortgage, real estate, and life. Going to talk real estate today, mostly real estate. And we're going to start out with average days on the market. So this is increasing a little bit, and I'm not a realtor, but I got some data from one of my trusted real estate partners. And average days on the market is about 37 days. That being said, sellers are used to 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, and it's increasing. They're gonna have to start making some decisions. But before I get to that, I want to talk about a topic I had on my Lunch and Learn on Wednesday about rent versus own. So here's my opinion. If a buyer can buy, they should. Long-term investment is key. Here's the rent versus own. I did a $500,000 comparison, and if you rent, you're gonna leave $20,000 on the table if you don't buy, and that's over a 5-year period. So that's tax incentives, that's appreciation, that's principal reduction, that sort of thing. So when you put those things together in the calculator, it makes sense to buy from a rent versus own standpoint. Okay, let's get back to days on the market. So, sellers considering dropping a price, $10,000. I've got some numbers I put together, and which will show a seller that, well, let's maybe not drop the price. Let's offer the buyer a credit of some sort, 10, 8, 10, 12, whatever, to pay for a temporary buy down, a permanent buy down, some closing costs. And that actually helps the buyer out more on a monthly basis as far as the payment goes than paying $10,000 less for a property. So that's key. So keep that in mind. If you want to go in that in more detail, I'll shoot you my phone number at the end of the video, my phone number, and that stuff will come up, and I'd love to share it with you in numbers. So we'll leave it at that. Stay cool. If you're going to be outside, be in the water. If you're going to be inside, turn your air conditioner down. Anyway, have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Again, Jim Hanson, 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web, and have a good one. Thanks.